Struggling to juggle appointments and client communication? Let's dive into Acuity Scheduling and HoneyBook to find the perfect fit for your business needs. First up, Acuity Scheduling. It's a powerhouse for appointment booking. Notice how easily you can create different appointment types with varying durations and prices. The calendar view is clean and intuitive, allowing for easy drag-and-drop rescheduling. Customization is key, so you can tailor your booking page to match your brand. Acuity integrates seamlessly with calendars like Google Calendar and Outlook, ensuring you never miss an appointment. Now, let's explore HoneyBook. It's more than just scheduling. It's a complete client relationship management system. See the project pipeline. This helps you track clients from initial inquiry to project completion. HoneyBook streamlines communication with automated emails and templates. Plus, it handles invoicing and payments all in one place, simplifying your financial workflows. HoneyBook also connects to other business apps. Acuity shines with its laser focus on scheduling, offering advanced features like appointment packages and subscriptions. HoneyBook excels as an all-in-one CRM, handling client communication, contracts, and payments. Acuity's pricing is tiered based on the number of calendars and features you need. HoneyBook offers a more comprehensive plan that includes all its features, but it comes at a higher price point. For ease of use, Acuity is generally simpler to set up for basic scheduling, perfect if that's your primary need. HoneyBook, while having a steeper learning curve, becomes incredibly efficient once you've mastered its CRM features. So, which one is right for you? If you need a dedicated scheduling tool, Acuity is a solid choice, but if you're looking for a complete CRM to manage your entire client workflow, HoneyBook is the way to go. Choose the platform that aligns with your business size, workflow, and budget.